Hi everyone, I'm Jay. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how I made this deliciously spicy, juicy chicken breast with red cabbage coleslaw. So I'm going to be using 2 chicken breasts, as you can see, and I'm just using the kitchen paper just to dry both sides of each chicken. Once they're both dried, I want them to even thickness, so I'm just going to cover them with some paper and gently tap them with the rolling pin at the thickest point. I'm just gently tapping that thickest part. I'm not aggressively bashing at them, and I just check every now and again to see how I'm getting on. When I'm happy with the thickness, then we're done. So that's all done now. I'm just going to take a sharp knife and score about 4 incisions into each one. I've already preheated my oven to 178 Celsius, and I'll rub both sides with a teaspoon of olive oil. Next I'll sprinkle both sides with some garlic powder. Next I'll rub in a generous amount of Cajun Spice. Now I'm adding some chili flakes. And next some smoked paprika. Next I'll load them both on a baking tray and drizzle with a little bit more olive oil and sprinkle with some salt. And I'll bake them at 178 Celsius until they're cooked right through and juices are running clear. This will probably take about 30 minutes. While the chicken is cooking, I've grated 3 medium-sized carrots. And I'm finally slicing half a red cabbage. I'm going to add half of a finely chopped red onion. Now I'm just going to add some salt and pepper and a couple of handfuls of raisins. I've washed and drained the red cabbage before mixing through, and then I'm going to add a couple of tablespoons of mayonnaise and plain yogurt. After giving that a good mix, I'll just put it in the fridge for now. So the juices are running clear on my chicken. I don't want it overcooked, so I've taken it out of the oven now and I'll just leave it to rest. When my chicken's cooled, I just slice it up. And there it is, so easy but packed with flavour, deliciously spicy chicken breast with red cabbage coleslaw. I hope you've enjoyed today's recipe. For more delicious recipes like this, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Take good care of yourselves and I'll see you in the next one.